Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. Now, Trinidad, and murder music, and people hear me talk about Trinidad, and they say, countryman, you're attacking Trinidad. It's none of my business. Stay out of it. Now, as a Caribbean citizen and as a Jamaican citizen, how can I sit back and look at this and don't say anything? This youth Ivan was at the Valencia food market and the man them near him food taking 3 points. I don't know what's going on or why they did it, but more information is gonna come out. You have the journalist there in Trinidad, Ivan, him do an interview with the young man mother. That's not gonna solve anything. Is what I'm saying. What the man them need to do, them need to put on the gun. Them need to deal with the art of music and not the art of violence. It coming like they're behind time. All this stuff they're doing in Trinidad, this used to happen back in Jamaica and the US when man go dance, and Canada and England back in the late 70s, early 80s. Dance I get shot up, man I get killed like that. It just doesn't make sense. Now, I want to listen to a clip of that youth here.
Tell any pussy them a run up and play brave. When the rifle a wave, pussy end up lie down 6 feet under. Mother see that and cry and said that a grave. When the rifle a wave, tell a pussy all of you run up and play brave. When the rifle a wave,
Me listen to the tune and a straight violence it a promote. But I must say that I do like the tune. Him say when him rifle a wave, pussy them run up and a play brave. When him rifle a wave. And he wasn't attacking anybody. Me no hear him call a man name. Me no hear him do nothing. So I don't know what is behind this. He must be with a crew. I guess from your crew up or you link with certain man, call them say what, TM Studio. You link up with a crew or, you know, a man just get bad mind. But I spoke to somebody yesterday and we were actually talking about Trinidad and the music. And there's a lot of opportunity there. Cause like I say, I would like to produce some Trinidad artists, and I have an open call, the man them to link me and try come up with a different thing, you understand? Now, the conversation I had, the person say, the man them at Trinidad have an opportunity, but them bad-minded, and he specifically used the word bad-minded. Now, me have the whole of the youth a tune, and when you can click on the WhatsApp link below and get the full tune, me I go put it up in there. And me have a video where me do on Shensia. Me I go put that up in the WhatsApp link, so you can click on the link below and get the information. Like me say, I don't know what's going on in Trinidad, but it's straight murder music. The man them take the reggae and them are totally destroyed. You can look on the artists them at Jamaica, look on the artists them at Africa, Europe, wherever them the Spanish artists. Especially the Spanish artists, the man make crazy money. Yeah, that's that. And the man them at Trinidad have an opportunity. But they're really screwing up this opportunity. And that's all I have to say. Now, the youth are journalists from out of Trinidad. Him jump on the story and him have an interview with the lady, the mother of the slain young man. May I play a little clip of that and put up the rest of the video in the WhatsApp group. But once again, I want people give you all honest opinion. Isn't this music industry, the Trinidad music industry, has turned into murder music? Let me know. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. But this is really crazy out. This is some crazy stuff. When as a man come out to that tune, them kill him. I'm out.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Ian Allen. Come this way. I just spoke to your name?
Katian Campo.
Katian Campo. She's the mother of Ivan Lambskin, 31-year-old, who was shot dead in Valencia on Friday night. I just spoke to her.